So hi guys, welcome once again. Now we are at the last part and now it is kind of code 3, right? So I just finished putting the code 3 in Doodly because I really don't want to waste your time. So what I did is I went here into the scene and went to scene settings, and as usual I just pressed the subtitle on and then copied everything, and then I switched off the subtitle. Then I have inserted one Martin Luther King picture here. So that's all I did, and just let us preview it, right? Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best, whatever you are. By Martin Luther King Jr. Yes, the code 3 is also over, so we'll just highlight this. So thanks for watching this video. Next, we'll just see this last place, guys. Bye bye.